In this tutorial, I'll show you how to batch generate transparent video with subtitles in Subtitle Edit. Welcome to this video. My name is David and I hope you're well wherever you are around the world. Now, this is more or less additional features in the generate transparent video with subtitles, and it's available in the beta versions. So this is a beta version right here, and the version I'm using is Subtitle Edit 4.0.7 next beta number 90. Now, the reason why I'm doing this video is so that we can all be able to test out these features before they are released officially for bugs or issues that you might run into. So it's really important you take a note of that. Now, I already have my video files and the respective subtitles. So this is going to be important for you if you want to batch generate transparent video with subtitles for multiple videos. Now, let's go back to Subtitle Edit and I'll go to Video. Generate transparent video with subtitles. If you have not yet installed FFmpeg, it's going to prompt you to do that. But because I already have it, when I click on this, we're going to get the interface for the generate transparent video with subtitles. Now, there are a couple of things here, and of importance might be the settings here for the font, the outline, the box type, the family, and so on and so forth. And the reason for this, if you're working with videos of different resolutions, then you need to ensure that whatever you work on here really works well with all the videos. But if you don't know the resolutions or they're not very clear, you may need to work with resolutions differently. Just don't mix the video files. Now, this is something that I will change, but for now I'll not change it. But I'll come to the video resolution here and click on these three dots. Then set use source resolution. And then as for the video extension, I'll make sure that it is in MOV there, and then click on add to add my subtitle files that I want to generate the transparent video with subtitles for. I'll just select them, click on open. And because my video files are in the same folders as the subtitle files, they're going to be picked up right here. And you can see the resolutions here, 1920 by 1080, and for the other video is 1080 by 1920. And that is where I mentioned that you need to make sure that your videos are of the same resolution, because the settings you have here are going to affect the results that you're going to get. Now, if you'd like to just have your files ready to go without the need of tinkering with this, then make sure you work with Advanced Substation Alpha Subtitles, not SRT. So with those ASS subtitle styles, you already have everything set for you. That is what I would recommend, especially if you're working with videos of different resolutions. Now, if I click on this particular file here, and let's assume this is not the video I wanted to use, you can just right click on it and then click on pick video file and navigate and pick the correct video file that you want to use. So that's a quick note. And I'll assume we are ready to batch generate transparent videos with subtitles right here. So different options here. You can add, you can remove, you can clear, but of importance also is the output file folder. And you can see here it's saving in source file folder. But if I click on this box here, you can save in output folder below. That's a different folder. And then you can save more or less with a new suffix. But I'll leave everything as it is and click on OK. Because I'm satisfied with my selections, I'll just click on generate. It's going to start the business. There we go. And once it's done, you're going to get a conversion report. And you're going to see everything as it is. Clips3 underscore new.mov. And these are the vertical one.mov. And if I go back to our folder with the files, you'll see the clip3 new.mov and this one.mov. One thing I'll need you to note is that sometimes you're getting that even if you select the video extension, let's say right now it's MOV, it might end up jumping to like MKV for no reason whatsoever. So that's more or less of a bug, and I'm going to try and recreate this to see if it can be addressed. But my ultimate kind of video extension selection would be when I click on generate and then I get the option for file save as, and then I select MOV. That would probably be much better, but let's see how this goes. So everything is ready and I can close this out for now. Now let's go to a folder and our movies are here. And you can see the subtitles right here. Now, the reason why I've converted to MOV is that MOV are more or less recognized in more video editing applications. And for this matter, I'm going to be using Camtasia 2020. And I'm going to drag the files that we have here right inside Camtasia here, the MOV files. So let's say we go with this clip here, drag it here, and then the MOV here. If I play this,
in this tutorial,
you can already see the subtitles in that MOV are available for us to appreciate depending on the selections you had. Let's see which one is the MOV here. This one is the normal file MP4, and then this is the MOV. I drag and drop it there. Let's just bring the playhead here.
in this video, I'll show you how to add.
Now, see what I mentioned? The subtitles are really tiny in the vertical video, and in this one, they look okay, but would do with some few editing. But the good thing with MOV with Alpha is that you can now resize this to whatever size you want. Let's say we do 25%. You can just make your selections, resize, actually even bring it up slightly, use the arrow keys if you want them to be a little bit higher, somewhere there. So this one is really going to be affected, because if we do a lot of changes, the subtitles may go out of the video and will not really give us the desired look that we want for the subtitles to be in the video. So that's that for now. But simply put, that is how you can batch generate transparent video with subtitles in Subtitle Edit. And this is a beta version. Please go test it out. I'll leave links to download the beta releases in the description below, so that we can actually get a fine feature right here that we can use for those purposes. I hope this video is of value to you. Thank you so much for watching.